Here is everything from the series. This is the final part of my collaboration with Strongink, a full showcase of all the pens. From streamline to fountain to executive. Each one has its own character. It's been great seeing how each kit turns out through the same process. The streamline pen made from African blackwood. Not your normal streamline pen kit. Look at that. The executive pen made from bird's eye poplar. Look at that. These spots makes it unique. What a pen kit. The gold twist pen. I used hardequil. Look at the gold. This pen kit was the first build for me. The fountain pen. Look at that detail. I used a combination of resin and wild olive wood. Resin slightly tinted red with glitter. The rollerball pen. Look at the gold. I used a combination of green tinted resin with glitter and wild olive wood. My personal favorite. The click pen. I used wild olive. It's got almost a bold effect. The grain is just lovely. These were all built using Strongink pen kits, and this is the result. Let me know which one is your favorite. Want to know what's my favorite? The fountain pen. If you enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and following the series. Don't forget to subscribe, and all your pen turners out there, enjoy your pen turning and your workshops. And until the next time, laka laka.